Most people don't know this. 94% of people who try to flip $100 give up within the first week. Not because they lacked money. Because they picked the wrong method. But what if there's a specific strategy that takes less than 2 hours a day? One that doesn't require any experience, any special skills, or even leaving your house. Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to turn $100 into $1,000, faster than you think. And just so you know, I'm not going to waste your time with vague advice like, just invest, or start a dropshipping store. No, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system that actual beginners are using right now to flip small amounts of money into real profit. Let's get into it. Here's the thing about money, it doesn't multiply on its own. But stuff? Stuff gets mispriced every single day. Someone lists a $200 item for $40 because they just want it gone. Someone else is searching for that exact item and willing to pay full price. You sit in the middle. You buy low, sell high. That's flipping. And the beautiful part? You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a business license. You don't need a website. You just need a phone, $100, and 30 minutes to learn the basics, which is exactly what this video is. Okay, step 1. You need to find underpriced items. And the best place to start? Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Here's the move. Go to Facebook Marketplace, search for something simple. Electronics, sneakers, power tools, Lego sets. These 4 categories flip the fastest for beginners. Now here's the trick most people skip. Before you buy anything, go to eBay and search the same item. Then, and this is key, filter by sold listings. Not active listings. Sold. This shows you what people are actually paying, not just what sellers hope to get. If something is listed on Facebook for $40 and sold listings on eBay show $120 to $150, that's your target. That gap is your profit. Write that down. Buy price must be less than 30% of the eBay sold price. That's your rule. Now here's where beginners leave money on the table. They pay the listed price. Don't do that. Most Facebook Marketplace sellers expect negotiation. A simple message like, "Hey, is this still available? Would you take $35? That's it. Short, polite, direct. You'd be surprised. 6 out of 10 sellers say yes or counter with something close. With your $100 budget, you're not buying one $100 item. You're buying 2 or 3 $30 to $40 items. Spread the risk. More items means more chances to sell, and if one sits, you're not stuck. Okay, you bought the item. Now let's make money. List it on eBay. Here's exactly how to write a listing that actually sells. Title. Include the brand name, model, condition, and size if relevant. eBay's search is keyword-based. More specific equals more visibility. Example. Nike Air Force 1 low white size 10, excellent condition, not just white sneakers. Photos. Take 6 to 8 photos. Clean background, natural light, show any flaws honestly. Buyers trust listings with real photos, and honest listings get fewer returns. Price. Set it at the middle of your sold comps range. Not the highest, not the lowest. Middle. And turn on best offer. This lets buyers negotiate, which actually increases the chance of a sale. Shipping. If you're new, just select eBay's calculated shipping. It autofills based on weight and location. Easy. Your listing is live. Now you wait. Usually 3 to 7 days for the first sale. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets real. You start with $100. You buy 3 items at roughly $30 each. You sell them for $90 to $110 each on eBay. After eBay's fee, which is around 13%, you walk away with roughly $230 to $270 from that first round. You take that money and do it again. And again. By round 4 or 5, which most people hit within 6 to 8 weeks, you've crossed $1,000. Not theory. Basic math. The people who fail, they buy without checking sold comps first. They overpay. They list with bad photos and a lazy title. You now know how to avoid all 3 of those mistakes. So here's your homework. Literally today, open Facebook Marketplace, search for electronics or sneakers, find one underpriced item, check it on eBay sold listings, and send one offer message. That's it. One action. That's how this starts. If this video helped you, subscribe. I post practical money videos every week. No fluff, no hype. And drop a comment below. What category are you going to flip first? I read every single one. See you in the next one.